Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Welcome to my YouTube channel Calculus and Mathematics Learning. In the previous video, I started and commenced with exercise number 7.4 related with chapter number 7, trigonometric, relevant with the topic trigonometric ratios of different type of angle, just like negative 180 degree, negative 270 degree, 720 degree, and 1440 degree. In today's video, I am going to solve the next question related with the same exercise number 7.4, question number 3. So let's move toward question number 3 of exercise number 7.4, chapter number 7, trigonometry, class 10 mathematics. It tells that if secant theta is equal to 2, where theta lies in the fourth quadrant, find the other trigonometric ratios. First we will draw a argent plane. Remember, this is argent plane. The all trigonometric ratio, 6 trigonometric ratio is positive, all positive in the first quadrant. In the second quadrant, we have sine theta and their reciprocal is positive. Cosecant theta and sine theta, they are positive. In the third quadrant, we have tangent theta and cotangent theta. These are positive. In the last quadrant, which is quadrant number 4, this is quadrant number 3, this is quadrant number 2, this is quadrant number 1, and this is quadrant number 4. In quadrant number 4, secant theta and the reciprocal cos theta is positive. So they talk about that theta lies in the fourth quadrant. It means that secant theta, which is positive in this quadrant, and cos theta will always be positive. So move toward the solution of this problem. Our secant theta is equal to 2. Now reciprocate it. So secant theta is actually 1 over cosecant theta. So 1 over cosecant theta will be 2. Now cos theta shift to right hand side and 2 to the left hand side. So our cos theta will be 1 divided by 2. So this is cos theta and this is secant theta. Both will be positive because they lie in fourth quadrant. Now after this, we will use a rule just like secant theta. You know that secant theta, if we, let's suppose this is a triangle, this is y, this is x, and this is r. This is right angle triangle. Over here the angle is 90, and let's suppose this is theta. You know that cos theta is equal to base divided by hypotenuse. So the secant theta will be, reciprocate these two terms, so it becomes r divided by x. You know that secant theta is equal to 2, so put 2 over here, it becomes 2 is equal to r divided by x. Now we can write 1 in the division, so it means that our r is 2, and the value of x is 1. Now you know that we apply Pythagoras theorem in right angle triangle, which tells that the square of the hypotenuse, the hypotenuse is actually those side which is opposite to the angle 90. So this is hypotenuse. Its square will be equal to the base square. Base is x plus perpendicular square. Perpendicular is y. So using this Pythagoras theorem, we will find the value of y. Our r is 2, so it becomes 2 square, which is equal to x. X is 1, so 1 square plus y square. 2 square gives us 4. 1 square gives us 1, so by shift it to the left hand side, it becomes negative 1, will be equal to y square. So our y square will be 4 minus 1 gives us 3. So our y will be plus minus under root of 3. Now finding the value of tangent theta. Tangent theta, you know that it is equal to perpendicular divided by base. So for perpendicular we have y, and on the base we have x. Now you know that y is equal to under root of 3. So theta lies in the fourth quadrant. It means that the tangent theta is negative. Tangent positive in first and the third. It is negative in the fourth quadrant. So we will take the value of y negative over here. So negative under root of 3 divided by x. So our x is 1. So it means that our tangent theta from over here we conclude that it is equal to negative root 3. So the cotangent theta is the reciprocal of it. So reciprocate minus under root 3 by 1 reciprocate. So 1 will move to the numerator, and under root 3 will come to the denominator, and we will write with negative with it. So the cotangent theta is minus 4 over under root of 3. Now we have cos theta, secant, tangent, and cotangent. Now we will find sine theta and cosecant theta. So you know that sine theta is equal to perpendicular divided by hypotenuse. So on perpendicular we have y, and hypotenuse we have r. You know that the value of y is under root 3. In the fourth quadrant, sine theta and cosecant is negative. It is just positive in the second and first. So over here we will take the negative under root of 3. So y is negative under root of 3 divided by r. Our r is 2, so it is minus under root 3 divided by 2. This is secant sine theta. Now these are the 5 trigonometric ratio. We are left with the 1 trigonometric ratio, which is cosecant theta. So we can easily find the cosecant theta by just reciprocating the sine theta. So reciprocating these two terms, it will give us 2 will move to the numerator, and under root 3 will come to the denominator, and the negative sign will comes down as it is. So this is actually cosecant theta, which is equal to negative 2 divided by under root of 3. So these are the required pi trigonometric ratio, cos theta, tangent theta, cotangent theta, sin theta, and cosecant theta. These are the required different type of trigonometric ratios. So with this question, I finish my lecture. Thank you for watching. Subscribe my channel and also hit the bell icon to receive the upcoming notification about trigonometry. Thank you.